Guys, today I'm going to show off my little project that I have for you guys. And like I don't know why this random rig is here, and I think one of my other collaborators like just came in here and just put that over here. And my little project is all about these trains. And like, because like I'm going to make like a cool simulator train game or something like that. So like, you see this train is pretty long, very long, guys, right? Very long indeed. And here's the driver's part, or what you call it. And you press period or comma to like, it depends on the side of the door, but I'm just gonna click both. Yeah, and L for lights, I'm gonna click that one. And finally start engine, and let's go. Look at my cool train accelerating through the rails. Nice. This is what Lua scripting does, guys. Not lying. And you could create cool stuff too by like just learning Lua scripting in Roblox, you know. Yay. Horns. And then like you brake the train. You pull the brakes, and there you go. You got the doors working. So that's what. Why did the train accelerate out of nowhere?
Ang susunod na istasyon ay Ruiz.
What?